नमो वाकं ब्रूमो नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे. Namo Vakam is the compound word. Brumaha becomes Brumo because of Sandhi. Nayana Ramaniyaya is the compound word. Padayoho Tava Asmai Tavasmai because of Sandhi. Dvandvaya Sphuta Ruchi Rasalaktakavate. Sphuta Ruchi Rasalaktakavate is a compound word. Sphutabhas Mahapranaha. Asuyati Atyantam. Asuyatyantam because of Sandhi. Yat t changes to d because of Sandhi. Abhihananaya bhas Mahapranaha. Yadabhihananaya is a compound word. Sprihayate Pashunam Ishanaha. Pashunam Ishanaha. Visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Pramada Vana Kankeli Tarave. Pramada Vana Kankeli Tarave is a compound word. Pashunam Ishanah Pramada Vana Kankeli Tarave because of Sandhi. Namo Vakam Brumo Nayana Ramaniyaya Padayoho Tavasmai Dvandvaya Sputaruchirasalaktakavate Asuyatyantam Yadabhihananaya Sprihayate Pashunamishanah Pramadavana Kankelitarave. Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalanamatha Vailakshanamitam Lalate Bhartaram Charanakamale Tadayati Te Chiradantashalyam Dahanakritam Unmulitavata Tulakoti Kwanaish Kilikilitam Ishana Ripuna. Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalanam is a compound word. Khas Mahapranaha. Atha Thas Mahapranaha. Gotraskhalanamatha Vailakshya Namitam is a compound word. Lalate Bhartaram Bha Mahapranaha. Charana Kamale is a compound word. Tadayati Te. Chirat T changes to D because of Sandhi. Antashalyam is a compound word. Antaha Visarga changes to Sh. Shalyam. Antashalyam is a compound word. Chiradantashalyam because of Sandhi. Dahanakritam is a compound word. Unmulitavata. Dahanakritam Unmulitavata. Tulakoti Kwanaihi is a compound word. The Visarga changes to Jihva Muliya. Kilikilitam is a compound word. Tulakoti Kwanaih Kilikilitam because of Sandhi. Ishana Ripuna is a compound word. Kilikilitam Ishana Ripuna. Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalanamatha Vailakshanamitam Lalate Bhartaran Charanakamale Tadayati Te Chiradantashalyandahana Unmulitavata Tulakoti Kwanaish Kilikilitamishana Ripuna. Himani Hantavyam Himagiri Nivasaika Chaturau Nishayam Nidranam Nishi Charamabhagecha Vishadau Varan Lakshmi Patram Shriyamati Srijantau Samayinam Sarojam Twatpadau Janani Jayatash Chitramihakim. Himani Hantavyam is a compound word. हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ. हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ is a compound word. निशायां निद्राणं निशि चरमभागे is a compound word. भास महाप्रणः च विशदौ. Varam Lakshmipatram is a compound word. Now the Varam, there is a dot on top of the Ra which is called Anuswara. This Anuswara changes to L with a nasal sound. So it becomes Varalakshmipatram because of Sandhi. Shriyam Atisrijantau. Shriyam Atisrijantau. Samayinam. Sarojam is a compound word. Tvatpadau is a compound word. Janani, the E there is short because it is in Sambodhana Vibhakti. It's a direct address to the goddess. Jayataha, Visarga changes to Shu there. Chitram, Jayatash Chitram because of Sandhi. Iha, Chitramiha, Kim. Himani Hantavyam Himagirinivasaikachaturau. निशायां निद्राणन् निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ. वरलक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.